Welcome! In front of me I have Xiaomi Smart Band 7 Pro and I'm gonna show you how to turn off this device. First we need to wake up the screen on our Smart Band, and you can do it by tapping on the screen. Once you wake up the screen, swipe right on the screen to open the quick panel and here tap on the settings icon. In settings, scroll down, find the option called the system and tap on it. And here you should see the option called turn off. Select it and then tap on the check mark to confirm and turn off the Smart Band. And after a second or two, the Smart Band should turn off. And that's how you turn off this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.